Okay, in this video we're gonna know something about the word and the phrases to math symbols, or which called verbal sentences. Okay, to convert it into math equations or math sentence. Okay, I have some keywords that I will work within it to know the difference. Okay, here if he give me plus and total of altogether, increased sum, add, combined together, more than, add to, in all, or makes, so all of these, which means plus. And for subtraction here, like subtract, give, take away, decrease by, shared, fewer than, less than, difference or less, even less. All of these is it's called what? It's called difference, which means minus. Together divide, ratio, pair, split up, divided into, quotient, divided by, percent, half, pair. All of these keywords it means division. For multiplication, times, triple, double, cube, twice, increased by a factor or multiplied by of, something like this is called multiply. Equals, like, is, are, where, equivalent to, equals to, all of these is called what? It's called equals. And finally here, the parenthesis words, when you put between brackets, you must find the quality of, twice the sum of, times of the difference, plus of the difference, all of these, which means parentheses or between brackets. Okay, come to say something like this. If he tells me 3 times some number, which means 3 times y مثلا, or 3 times a, like here. What about 10 plus? It's so easy. 10 plus b. 1 subtracted 6. Once you find subtracted from or less than, you will exchange it. You will put 6 first, minus 1. Look at less than, you will put the unknown number first, x minus 8. So when you find subtracted or less than, that's mean you will exchange the terms. Okay, 6 minus 1 or x minus 8, something like that. Divided, okay, it will be 4 divided by y or x or whatever, any number. If he told me here multiply, so it will be 2 times. If he told me here 7 more than twice a number, okay, with me translate the word 7 is more than, so 7 is more than twice a number, which means 2c or 2x. What about triple a number? Yes, will be 3p plus 7. Okay, in the plus, never mind if you exchange it or not, because the value will be the same. But in the minus, you should make sure that you exchange it, the terms. Okay, let's see some examples. Here, let's solve it together. The product of 2, so you will translate 1 product, which means times. The product of 2 and the difference between 1 and 14. Sorry, t and 1. Read with me. The product, I will put the sign of product of 2, you will put one term 2, and the difference between t and 1. Once here, there's here 2 operations, I should put the parentheses t and 1, so it will be t minus 1, as he told me difference is 14, is, which means equals 14. And that's all. You got here To translate any phrase to algebraic expression, you must walk word by word, okay? So something like this. What about number 2? Okay, the quotient, which means divide, of e plus 2. So it will be here e plus 2 divided by and 5. So the quotient here of e plus 2. So I told you if I have two operations, I should put parentheses, okay? The quotient of e plus 2 and 5. So the second term of quotient is 5. Result in 4. So it means equals 4. You can put something like this as a fraction bar or divide symbol like this, okay? Okay, let's make 3. Combine 3 and 5 times j. Combine, which means plus, right? 3 is here. 5 times j, so between brackets, because there's here two operation, gives 18, so equals 18. Is that hard? I think it's so easy. And so on. Let's see, number 4. Subtract 3 from quarter of g. Do you remember I told you about subtract? What I told you about subtract? Yes, exchange it. So subtract is here minus 3, so I will put 3 here, and quarter of g. Quarter of g, which means g over 4. Quarter of g, which means g over 4, is 6, is equals 6. And that's all. What about the fifth one? 4 multiplied by here multiplied, and here 4. The sum of y in 7. So the second term, sum of 1 and 7, two operations, so I will put the parentheses. Equals to 16, equals to 16. Again, multiplied, which means multiply. So where is the terms? First term is 4. Second term, the sum of y and 7. So I have another operation, so I should put parentheses between y and 7. Equals 16. And that's all. I hope you got the concept of how I can solve something like this. Thank you.